Hey guys, how's it going? Doing a quick vlog. This is actually the first time I've actually had to charge these, and I've used them about a dozen times. This sits on the back of my helmet pretty good. Doesn't fall off. Once I drop it on the floor like I just did. So I decided to bring them in and charge them. I never got the light saying that I had to, but they do work pretty good. And the rubber that I put on the back of the light has held up pretty good. It throws more than enough light. It's got 3 different light settings, as well as I think it's got some kind of smart thing where when it senses it's darker, it turns up, because a couple of times when I was riding, it was actually getting dim and then getting bright again. It was really weird. It wasn't going off. It was self-adjusting. It was weird. I didn't like it. But other than that, they're fine. This one stayed on the whole time. Like I said, I don't want to wait until they die, so I figured I might as well charge them up now. Actually, I want to take you downstairs and show you the batteries. Yeah, as you've guessed it, I'm still packing, so. But I've had no problems with these batteries. It's crazy how it's a while ago since I built them. And I used the really cheap BMSs, the ebikes. Cheapest ones you can get for LiPo 4. 8S at 24 volts at 100 amp. I've had 0 problems with these things. They're keeping the cells balanced. I've had no problems with dead cells or anything. These packs just work amazing. I have 0 issues with them. I haven't had cut-offs or anything because of a bad cell or it's not balancing properly. They're flawless. Probably once I get moved, I'm going to pull them out of the case and measure each cell row after a ride, and then we'll see how balanced they are. This IMAX B6 Mini that I picked up like over 6 years ago, still working. I think the fan barely works on it, but still going. As well as this pack here that I built a while ago. I've lost actually most of the cells that I had like this. Some of them I lost. Not this one, but another pack a while ago when they all went dead short. But I didn't have a fire, so that's why I love LiPo 4. I get about 80 volts here, and it's quite the distance on it, and it's totally safe. You know, with the heat we have now, when I'm done a ride, you open this up, they're warm, but they're not hot like they're gonna have thermal runaway or anything, which they won't because they're LiPo 4. Totally safe. I can put this. I'll be able to carry this into my apartment and not worry about it having a fire. I'm never using lithium ion. If anything, these ones here, this box that I picked up a while ago for building e-bike batteries, as well as this one, and these ones here are all going to recycle. I will not keep this in my apartment. There's just no way. And it's sad too because I just built it. It's brand new. But after seeing the horror stories lately of lithium fires, no, I'm not using lithium ion. LiPo 4 is a pretty much safe chemistry. Yeah, okay, you don't get as much distance with them, but they're fine. I like them. I don't know if you guys have been. Well, I guess you didn't see that video when I did a mod with a controller and an LCD screen from one controller to the other. It looks like it's going to work. I didn't get to it today, but maybe tomorrow I'll throw it on the bike and we'll do a ride. See if it actually works. I'm hoping it will control the pick and the different speeds and everything else, but we'll find out. As far as I know, it probably only works the power button, but you never know. But I wanted to share this. We're going on, over a year now since I built it. And still doing pretty good. Take it easy, guys.